morning everybody, it's Lisa from Rocco Baby Crochet. I hope you're all well and having a great week. This tutorial is a really quick tutorial. I just want to run through how we do the front post and the back post treble crochet. This video is all time stamped, so if you just want to learn one of the stitches, use the timestamps to find the point in the video of the stitch that you want to learn, or alternatively, if you want to learn both the stitches, then grab your hooks, grab your yarn, grab a cuppa and let's learn them together. So first of all, let's learn how we do the front post treble crochet. I've just made myself a simple foundation chain and a few treble crochets just on my first row to show you how we do this stitch. So when we look at the stitch, the top of the stitch here is where we will normally work our stitches, but what we want to be doing is we're going to be working around the post of the stitch. Now the post of the stitch is this part of the stitch here. So what we're going to be doing for the front post treble is we're going to be dropping our hook down the front of our piece of work, around the post from the back and back out from the back of our work to the front, and then we'll place a treble crochet as normal. So with our hook it'll look a little bit like we'll drop it down to the front of our work, pop it from the front to the back, around the post that we want to work around, and then back out from the back of our work to the front. So let's show you how that's done. I find it easy just by pulling the row below apart just a little bit, and you're going to yarn over, drop your hook down, insert it from the front to the back, around that post and back out of the work from the back to the front. So your hook is wrapped around that post. Then you'll yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook at this point, and then we'll just finish that off exactly how we would finish a normal treble crochet off, by yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over and pulling through 2. So let's do that again for you. So you're going to yarn over, drop your hook in front of your work, insert it between the posts from the front to the back, wrap around the post you want to work around and back out from the back to the front. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again to finish your treble off. And you'll be able to see that these front post trebles just push your work forward a little bit. So the combination of front post trebles and back post trebles are used often to create a ribbon effect of projects like hats and scarves, cardigans. So if you do want me to show you how to do the actual ribbon effect, then please comment below and I can film a tutorial for that for you. So let's do it a couple more times and then you've definitely got the hang of it. You're going to yarn over, drop your hook around the front of your work, insert it between your posts, wrap your hook around the post and back out from back to front, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 to finish your treble crochet off. One more time, yarn over, drop your hook around the front of your work, insert from the front to the back and then the back to the front, wrapping around that post, yarning over, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So let's look how we do the back post treble crochet now. So how the front post pushes your stitches forward and gives you the raised texture, your back post stitches are going to push your stitches backwards and make them look like they're dipping down. So again, we're going to work it around the post of the stitch, so just around this part here, but instead of inserting our hook from the front, we're going to insert our hook from the back. So we'll drop our hook down around the back of the work, insert our hook between the posts, from the back to the front, around the post and then back out around the other side of the post from front to back. So with our hook it'll look a little bit like dropping it to the back, inserting it between the post, wrap around the post that you want to place the stitch around and then back out around that post so it's on the back of your work like that. I do think that the back post treble crochets are a little bit more fiddly than the front post just until you get the hang of them, but once you've done them a couple of times I'm sure you'll be flying with them. So you're going to yarn over, drop your hook around the back of your work and insert in between your post that you want to work around it, and then back out at the other side towards the back of your work. So your post is wrapped around your hook. Then you'll yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, you'll have 3 loops on your hook at this point. We'll finish it off how we normally would finish off a treble, by yarning over and pulling through 2, yarning over and pulling through 2. And can you see how that one is now pushing backwards, whereas these ones here, which were our front posts, are pushing forwards. Let's do that a couple more times for you. So you're going to yarn over, drop your hook around the back of your work, pop it from the back to the front, around the post that you want to work around, and then back out from the front to the back, wrapping your hook around that post. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook at this point. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Let's do that a couple more times so you get the hang of it. Yarn over, drop your hook around the back of your work, insert your hook from back to front, around the post you want to work around, and back out from front to back. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And one last time, we will yarn over, drop our hook around the back of our work, pop our hook from the back to the front, around the post you want to work around, and back out from front to back, yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And that's how we make the back post treble crochets. I love using these in patterns because you can create such fun textures with them, and once you get the hang of them, they are easy to do. If you do want to see the ribbing or any more stitches using these 2 techniques, then don't forget, drop me a comment in the comment box below. And if you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, which will mean you won't miss out on my next tutorial, and it will also support Rocco Baby Crochet as well. So I hope you all have a really great week. Enjoy practicing this stitch. Take care, happy hooking, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!